Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Titan, and today I'm going to show you how to add power steering fluid. So first open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see a power steering fluid reservoir here. This is where you're going to add your new liquid. And then you've got your lines here for your hot and your cold max them in. Usually on systems it's better to work on them while it's all cold, so go off of these, but whichever makes more sense, you want it towards this max. And if you do need to add, make sure you check your owner's manual, a good online source. You've got the best liquid for your make and model. But to add, I'll just unscrew this top, and then with a funnel or straight from your liquid jug, just fill as needed until you're around your max mark. Screw this back on nice and tight. And then you hardly ever should have to add to the system, so when you do, I would check really well around all of your reservoir and all your lines leading to it to see if you can find any leaks or cracks or anything that might need replaced or repaired. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.